Hey there, plant lovers! Is your Monstera looking a little worse for wear? Maybe its leaves are drooping, yellowing, or getting crispy at the edges. Don't worry, this happens to the best of us, and the good news is that most issues can be fixed with a little know-how. In this guide, we're going to walk step by step through diagnosing the problem, addressing common mistakes, and giving your Monstera the care it needs to thrive. Let's get started. Step 1. Diagnosing the problem. Before you can fix the issue, you need to know what's wrong. Monsteras are great communicators, and their leaves provide plenty of clues. First, take a close look at the plant. If the leaves are turning yellow, it's likely a sign of overwatering or poor drainage. If the edges are brown and crispy, your Monstera might be getting too much sunlight or not enough humidity. Are the leaves and stems drooping? That's often caused by underwatering or low humidity. Finally, if the roots are black and mushy, your Monstera has root rot, a common problem caused by overwatering. To inspect the roots, gently remove the plant from its pot. Healthy roots should be firm and white, while damaged roots will be dark and soft. This check is crucial for determining whether your plant is struggling above the soil or below it. Step 2. Fixing the problem. Now that you know what's causing the problem, let's tackle it head-on. Overwatering. Overwatering is one of the most common issues. If the soil is waterlogged, allow it to dry out completely before watering again. Moving forward, only water your Monstera when the top 2 inches of soil feel dry. Always ensure your pot has good drainage holes to prevent water from pooling. Underwatering. If the soil is dry and your Monstera is wilting, give it a deep drink. Water the plant thoroughly until you see excess water draining out of the pot. However, don't let it sit in standing water. Empty the saucer to avoid any issues. Light and humidity. Monsteras thrive in bright, indirect light. If it's in a dark corner or getting blasted by direct sunlight, it's time to move it to a better spot. As for humidity, these plants love moisture in the air. Use a humidifier, mist the leaves regularly, or group your Monstera with other plants to create a humidity pocket. Step 3. Pruning and repotting. Once the immediate issue is under control, it's time to clean things up and give your Monstera a fresh start. Pruning. Remove any damaged leaves by cutting them off at the base with clean scissors. This helps the plant focus its energy on new, healthy growth. Plus, it'll look a lot better without yellowing or brown leaves. Repotting. If your Monstera has outgrown its pot or is suffering from root rot, it's time to repot. Choose a pot that's one size larger and has drainage holes. Use a soil mix that drains well, like one made of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. For plants with root rot, trim off any black or mushy roots before repotting into fresh soil. Step 4. Long-term care tips. Your Monstera is on the road to recovery. Hooray! To keep it healthy and prevent future problems, follow these care tips. Water smartly. Only water when the top layer of soil is dry. Consistency is key. Feed regularly. During spring and summer, give your Monstera a balanced liquid fertilizer once a month to support growth. Rotate for even growth. Every couple of weeks, turn your plant so all sides get equal light exposure. Clean the leaves. Dust can accumulate on those big leaves, so wipe them down with a damp cloth to help the plant photosynthesize effectively. Reviving a dying Monstera might seem daunting, but it's absolutely possible with the right care. By diagnosing the issue, addressing any mistakes, and following proper maintenance practices, your Monstera will bounce back and thrive in no time. Plants are resilient, and with a little love and attention, they can recover from almost anything. Thanks for joining me on this plant rescue mission. If you've got a Monstera story, success or struggle, feel free to share it in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more plant care tips. Happy growing!